people, I am Piyush Sardana and today I'm gonna take you to round the trip journey of English language. Does English bother you? Is English a difficult language? Do you feel strange while studying English? The answer to all these lies with Gyan. I am Piyush Sardana and I've come across so many facts about English, and basically English is a crazy language which is full of crazy inventions, mistakes, misinterpretations and needless words. Yes, you heard it right, the needless words. Do you know the meaning of floxy-nosy-nihilipilification? What do you mean by quatch? CWTCH, quatch. Quatch is a Welsh word which got entry into English language. And do you know, every 2 hours a word is added to the Oxford Dictionary, basically a new word. Quatch is a hug that is being given, a special kind of a hug. For example, a mother hugging her child, a husband giving a hug to beautiful wife, or a teenager giving a hug to his adolescent crush. I am is the shortest English sentence which has got the complete meaning with subject and verb formation. When we talk about the countdown, it states the counting. When you count as a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and so on, you will realize that you never use the letter B into your counting until you reach billion. So till billion, there is no use of the word or the letter B, which is the second alphabet into English. When we talk about English as a bizarre language, there might be more facts to it. So let's see, have you got more knowledge about English or not? Do share your bizarre facts or unknown talks about English language in the comment section. And let us explore this beautiful language all around. Floxy-nosy-nihilipilification. Floxy-nosy-nihilipilification is an act of taming something or someone as worthless. And pardon, I'm not worthless over here, but a boy trying to pout comes worthless. The selfie is worthless. So, when we talk about something that tames to be a worthless thing, it's called floxy-nosy-nihilipilification. Those were some amazing facts about our own international language, English. Guys, there's another word that stuck into my mind. The word comes out to be pangram. Yes, you heard it right. It is pronounced as pangram. What exactly is it? Pangram is a sentence or a verse which has got all the 26 letters of English language. मतलब एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें A से लेकर Z, जिसको आप Z बोलते हैं, सारे के सारे 26 लेटर्स एक ही सेंटेंस में आ जाएं. यानी कि फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट टू द क्विक ब्राउन फॉक्स जंप्स ओवर द लेजी डॉग. इफ यू नोटिस इट केयरफुली, आप ध्यान से देखेंगे ना इसको, आपको पता लगेगा ए से लेकर जी तक सारे के सारे लेटर्स इस सेंटेंस में आ जाएंगे. तो इट फॉर्म्स अ कंप्लीट मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. दिस इज द शॉर्टेस्ट सेंटेंस दैट यू कम अक्रॉस, जिसमें आपको 26 के 26 लेटर्स मिल जाएंगे. है क्या इंटरेस्टिंग? Oh yes, sir. I'm gonna love this language if I study it carefully. And believe me, I'm already in love with English. There are more amazing facts in this beloved language. One of them comes out to be the word tittle. Tittle? Sir, turtle होगा turtle. नहीं guys, it is tittle. अच्छा टाइटल ऐसा बोलो ना. Guys, I'm talking about the word tittle. What exactly it is? वो जो छोटा वाला I होता है ना, the dot over that letter I comes out to be tittle. तो वो जो I के ऊपर छोटा सा डॉट होता है ना, that is tittle. So tittle has got a tiny definition according to its symbol. There's another word that comes out to be uncopyrightable. Sir, uncopyrightable. What is it? It's a normal word. We've heard it out into our lives. Guys, if you observe it carefully, you'll find that uncopyrightable has got 15 letters of English language without any repetition. So this comes out to be the longest word in English language without any repetition of the letters. So है ना ये भी इंटरेस्टिंग? और कितनी बार प्यार करोगे इंग्लिश से? जितनी बार सेंटेंसेस दूंगा उतनी बार प्यार होगा. Hey guys, in this last phase of my secretive English video, I've got a challenge for you guys. This time with definitely a reward too. Guys, you must have heard about the rhyming words into the poems, like train matches with crane, matches with plane, like boss with toss or loss. There's sorts of videos over there, right? Now this time there's another platform. I've got 4 words for you, 3 beautiful colors and one definitely our assumption. The first comes out to be purple, silver, orange and the word month. You have to make a rhyming word with any of these words, any one of these words. So you have to post your comments into the comment section. I'm gonna personally view your comments over there. And the one who wins or the one who has got good remarks about English, I'm definitely got a duet video with you. So we're gonna plan a duet video at the platform of Gyanam. Let's wait for your comments.